Hey guys, and welcome back to Inside Investing, and today we're going to be giving you a new portfolio update. Let's go! Yes guys, it's great to be back, and as you can see, we've currently opened our DEGIRO platform, which is of course the broker of our choice at this moment.
Nice.
Which we currently have our only investment portfolio. So as you can see, I've already logged on and I'm currently at the homepage of DEGIRO. If you want any tips and tricks on how to use DEGIRO, then of course ask it down below in the comment section. We're always happy to help you out and give you those little tips and tricks. But as you can see, I'm currently opening the market. So as you see, it's currently still trading time. So you see that the stock prices across the different countries are currently going up and down as well, which always looks nice if it's green. And today it's a green day, so that's a good day. And then let's go to, we have the favorites below that, and then in the middle we have our portfolio. So let's open up our portfolio, and then I'm directly going to show this to you. We're not going to show it only at the end of the video. This is our current value of our portfolio, the current balance of our portfolio, which is a little bit more than 1,600 euros, with let's say 27 euros available to trade. And today we've made around 26 euro profit. But in total, we are at a loss of around 90 euros.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Which isn't too bad, I must say, guys. We've only started investing on this account in a little bit more than a year ago. So I think it's fair to say that we, of course, want this portfolio to grow, but we don't really care too much about the current value. We are, at this point in time, that's at least how we think, in a little bit of a red market, right? The markets are going down, but we are expecting it sometime in the future to go up again. And once that happens, we already have our portfolio right here. So let's go through a little bit of the stocks that we currently hold. We have our portfolio separated across shares and trackers, where the shares are shares in specific companies. In this case, we have 2 shares, as you can see right there, 2 shares of Coca-Cola, with a break-even price of around 56 euros. And the current value is around 120 euros, which means that we do have an unrealized profit of 21 euros, which is actually quite nice, I must say. Let's see how Coca-Cola has been performing over the last couple of months. Let's see, the last 6 months. Oh, and then indeed we are seeing that they had a little bit of a dip somewhere in October, but currently they are actually in the on the green side. So that's nice, guys. It's doing quite well, I must say. So let's go back to our portfolio overview. So this, at this point in time, is actually also our only share, but it's also the only one that's currently in an unrealized profit. Of course, it's unrealized because we haven't sold it yet, right, guys? So once we've sold it, then it's actually a realized profit. But for now, because we didn't sell it yet, it's still an unrealized profit or loss. In this case, for Coca-Cola, it's a profit. Then quickly looking at the trackers, the ETFs that we hold, so the exchange traded funds. These are funds, let's say buckets of different shares that are in one bucket. We've made a lot of videos about this in the past as well, and we're planning to do a lot of them in the future as well. So if you have any trackers or ETFs that you want us to cover in the future, then please let us know down below. But let's have a look at the different ETFs that we hold. So this is the digital security one, which is currently at a value, our total position is at around 55 euros, with a unit price of 5.5 euros, which is at a loss of around 13%, guys. So that's not too good, but at least today it's at a profit, so that's good. Today, this is the day total, so today we are in the plus 1.2%. Then continuing with the iShares Global Clean Energy, because of course we do care about the environment as well. So this is the one for the clean energy position that we hold, which is currently at around minus 3.5%. it's a little bit of a loss, but I think we can manage. Then I think this is one of our biggest losers in our portfolio, the Bitcoin ETN that we have of VanEck Vectors, which is at a minus of 49%. Wah wah. That's not too good. Our break-even price is around 17 euros, and it's currently traded around 8.6 euros. So that's nearly half. We've lost half of our money on this investment, but it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. That's what you get in these current times where Bitcoin and overall the crypto market is down. So it's long-term investment that we care about. So in the long run, we do expect this to go up again, but for now it's at a big loss. And then the global real estate one, because of course we also want to invest some money in the housing prices, in the housing market, in the real estate market, which is why we own 2 of these shares. So 2 of these VanEck Vectors Global Real Estate, currently being traded for around 35 euros, meaning that we are at a loss of around 13.5%, which is quite bad as well. But again, long-term investment. The semiconductors, even that one is currently at a minus 9.5%, so getting close to 10% mark in the minus. That's quite bad as well, but long-term, guys. And then our biggest position, and also the one that we I would say love the most, guys. We love ourselves some VWRL. So the Vanguard FTSE All World UCITS ETF, which is a distributing, right? So they distribute their dividend as well. We currently hold 6 of these ETFs and are being traded at around 94 euros. So that means that we're at a loss of around 3%. So quite a small loss, but yeah, it's not too good as well, because our position is a little bit higher on this. Looking at the total balance of our portfolio of around 1.6k, this is around 560 euros. So yeah, that's around 30% of our portfolio. So that's quite a lot. But happily, it's only for now a relative small loss. And then the S&P 500, of course. This is the one that Warren Buffett always talks about, guys. So we have 8 of these S&P 500 shares being currently traded at around 69 euros, meaning that we're at a loss of minus 4.4%. So guys, overall, yes, we are in a loss. We've lost some money, but today it's a green day, so that's good. Today, it's 27 euros now. So today, at least we've earned 27 euros. And we also still have 26 euros available to trade. So in the upcoming future, of course, we're going to be expanding our portfolio. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. If you made it till the end of this video, also please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below, and of course, if you haven't done so already, subscribe, because we're gonna really be expanding this portfolio. If you want to see how we're doing that, then for sure subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one, guys. Let's go.